Hello, I'm Jeremy Wright, Senior Consultant at Umbrella Consulting, and in this SYSPRO quick tip, I'm actually going to show you riteSCAN. In this case, I'm going to show you inventory query and what you can do from the gun or tablet that you're using. So I'm in the riteSCAN application on the inventory tab. I'm going to go to inventory query, and all I have to do is scan. In this case, I have to type any stock code that I come across, and it'll load all the warehouse information, all the bin information for me. So I don't have to go into SYSPRO every time I want to just look up where something is. I can just scan anything on the shelf as I'm walking through the warehouse, and there's my information. I even have some the description and the unit of measure up here. So if I click the little eye, you can see there's all kinds of fields that I can look up if I need to. Down at the bottom here, you can see that you can filter on a warehouse. So whatever I've selected above, if I go to FG, for example, I can filter on just the bins in that warehouse, keep it simple. And I can also do it where, like, for example, this RM warehouse, I don't want to see it because it's 0. I can filter on 0, and it shows me just the ones that have stock. And that's all there is to it. Super easy. Thanks for watching.